the choice you make after today will shape your life, the lives of people around you. When I left Central, I often heard my grandfather's voice in my head. He used to tell me, Subir, if I ask you to touch the ceiling or touch the sky, which one are you going to touch? Again, I was a little boy, I would say, oh, that's really easy, let me touch the ceiling. No, he would say, always try to touch the sky. I said, Grandpa, why? Touching the ceiling is very easy. He would say, anybody can do it, but if you have a goal to touching the sky, you will always go higher. Being good enough should be your starting point, not your finish. Push yourself and go higher, reach for more. Always choose to touch the sky. You will achieve so much more than you ever imagined.
To the sky, our dreams are alive, feeling so